Here it comes.
Relentless power, amazing agility, and a sleek, muscular shape. Introducing the all-new Tiburon. Its name means shark.
Where do you see the red one?
Look out. It's a whole new Hyundai.
I beat up cars for a living. I'm driving a Hyundai Tiburon in the Pro Rally Series. We've won the Manufacturers' Championship the last 3 years for Hyundai. Hyundai's now stepped up to prove its reliability with America's best warranty. They're standing behind their cars in a big way. If everything is just right, then it builds my confidence as a driver.
Car makers have always promised to set you free. Finally, there's one that actually does. Because every car Hyundai builds comes with the freedom of America's best warranty, which means you're free from worrying about your new Tiburon for the next 10 years.
All you gotta do is set me free. Oh, set me free.
Evan.
No, I don't think so, kid.
Wait, I wasn't bad. Bad wasn't the problem. You were boring, taking up space.
You should have gotten the new Hyundai Tiburon. Nice, huh? It's got 6-speed transmission, V6 power, and the freedom of America's best warranty plan.
Can I drive?
This is hell, kid. You get the minivan.
I told you she had a boyfriend.
The Hyundai Tiburon with America's best warranty. When you can be counted on, you win.
I told you she had a boyfriend.
The Hyundai Tiburon with America's best warranty. 10 years, 100,000 miles. When you can be counted on, you win.